नमस्कार. आणि लास्ट ऑलमोस्ट मंथ बॅक जी तेंगे फ्लोटींग पंटून गायल्लो हो खंय तरी कॉलेज जालो आनी एक सायडीन ड्रिफ्ट जावन टुवर्ड्स द शो लायन हे सायडीन येयलो. आनीक जेन्ना घाता आसतना हें घाता आसतना आमले थोडी इश्यूज जाल्ले तेन्ना ONGC आमगेलो आमच्या मदीं ईडी आहा, आमगेलो मामलेदार आहा, बेतूल नागेरी पंचायती सरपंच आहा, डेप्युटी सरपंच आनी 5 मेंबर्स आहा, सेक्रेटरी आहा. सो तर पंचायतीक विचारपाक गेलो जाल्यार वी हॅड आस्क्ड देम टू गिव अस अ डिटेल रिपोर्ट what is to be happening here regarding this floating pontoon and whatever the gangway कितें बांदपाक गेले तेमी and this lift which is going down आम ती खबर नाशिल्लें. आनी तेन्ना आमी सांगिल्लें की हे जे एनर्जी वीक जातालो जे तेगेले VIP गेस्ट who are staying in this 5-star hotels तांकां थ्रू वॉटर हे सायडीन हे वाटेनान तांकां भितर व्हरपाचें बिकॉज they have different reasons saying that the traffic, all this issues. So this was the reason and it was told that it was a temporary arrangement done to transport whatever the guests are there who were staying, VIP guests, whoever guests are there. So after this incident, आमकां जेन्ना कळ्ळें आमी ONGC इंचालें, पंचायतीकूय इंचालें, but there was no satisfactory answer. They said that it is gone because of the high tide, high wave, cyclonic condition. But इतले म्हणणे जेन्ना दोयरी कांय न्यू न्हू, ocean is not new. This ocean is here. When anything has been done, it has to be technically done, approved by whichever department. I don't know who is at fault now. The ONGC is at fault, CR is at fault, or whichever department, captain of ports is at fault who has given them. Because in any circumstances, worst circumstances, this should have happened. Whatever reason they were lifting it up, that is their issue, we don't know. आता प्रॉब्लेम म्हळ्यार आमगेले नुस्तेकार भावांक आतां जायत पळय म्हणटा अरे आमदार लोकल आमदार कितें होग आहा हांव होग ना. आनीक हांवें टायम एंड अगेन जेन्ना गरज आहा तेन्ना इश्यूज मुखार काडले. आतां नुस्तेकार भाव आमगेले सिजन कालसून 2 दीस जाले स्टार्ट जाला. ही एक पॅसेज तांकां टू वेंचर इन टू द ओशन. आनी इंडियान जेन्ना वयता समजा झाडां आसताय, बारीक पानोळ आसताय, बोटी आसताय, सो तांकां ह्यो ते भित्ताय आमकां बाबा त्या हुंच्यान मोद लागून तेगे नॅट तिजो आनी कितें डॅमेज जाय एंड इट वील कॉज थ्रेट टू द लायफ. सो हेका लागून आज आमी पोत्तून हिंगा इन्स्पेक्शन येयलें विथ द ONGC आमगेलो एक्झिक्युटीव डायरेक्टर आहा, आमगेलो मामलेदार विथ द पंचायत बॉडी टू सी वॉट बेस्ट पॉसिबल स्टेप्स कॅन बी टेकन टू undo what has been done. I think salvage एक मकसद एक टीम is already in place. So I don't know, like ED has to give us an answer. Like till when you are going to clear this and what steps you have done, that there shouldn't be any problem to our future the community आती.
सर तुका इतलो तेंप कित्याक लागलो इन्स्पेक्शन इन्सिडेंट जालो की दुसरो दीस जालो?
त्याच्या मध्ये आमी एक इन्स्पेक्शन आहा मागिल्ले. That time government officials येयल्ले and they inspected and they said like within 15 days they will remove and give it. But after a month also it is still there. But today when I have come here, there are some team which has come, which has been appointed. So झाले आता we cannot say anything. But to undo it, काडपाक we have to try and get it removed as soon as possible. So I want a clear answer or a statement from the official from ONGC that he should come and clarify what steps he has taken to do this now, remove this whatever floating pontoon from the ocean.
To move our guests and decongest the roads which were the approach roads to ATI campus, and because of that we have constructed. The whole idea was we'll jack it up and jack it down and float it somewhere else so that this arrangement is there to transfer passengers from nearby hotels to this place without congesting the road. While lifting this pontoon to avoid the monsoon, there was cyclonic condition and that's why one of the hydraulics also failed. It drifted towards this, and let me clarify that it is very much away from the mouth of the river, which is the traditional fisherman channel, which is very much away. In spite of that, we have immediately appointed a salvager. Within 2 days we had appointed him. He has secured the thing so that it will not drift, and as soon as the sea is calm, we will demobilize it, we will mobilize it from this place and we'll keep everything clear for the fishermen. So there will be no obstruction, which we assure.
सर परमिशन भी दिया है बनाने का
हम्म।
कौन सा
हमारा सब परमिशन है, जो GCZMA का परमिशन है वो है, फिर मुंबई पोर्ट ट्रस्ट का MBD का भी है, और ये रजिस्टर्ड भी है IRS का, उसमें ये हमारा फंड भी रजिस्टर्ड है।
गोवा में किसका परमिशन दिया है?
मोरमुगांव
पंचायत या-
पोर्ट
मोरमुगांव पोर्ट ट्रस्ट का ये एरिया पड़ता है, मोरमुगांव पोर्ट ट्रस्ट का भी है, COP का भी है, कैप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट्स का भी है, और GCZMA का भी, उनका भी।
सर लेकिन जो बारिश के टाइम में जो ये ओशन है बहुत ये होता है तो
Cyclonic
साइक्लोनिक होता है, तो इसके हिसाब से वो बनाना चाहिए था।
नहीं, वो बना है, उसी को हम डाउन करके हटाना चाह रहे थे साइक्लोन से पहले, लेकिन इस बार उस दिन साइक्लोनिक कंडीशन हो गया, इसलिए ये ड्रिफ्ट होकर के टिप हो गया।
एग्जैक्टली कितना लॉस है अभी इसका? लॉस कितना है?
इसका हमारे करीब 2.5 करोड़ लॉस, मतलब इंश्योरेंस से क्लेम करेंगे हम, क्योंकि इंश्योर्ड है, व्हीकल रजिस्टर्ड है हमारे नाम पे, इंश्योरेंस है, इंश्योरेंस क्लेम हमने ऑलरेडी फाइल कर दिया है, तो कोई ऐसा लॉस हमें नहीं है।
This is the reason